Hey guys, it's me, Brandy, and I have something from, gosh, it doesn't say where it's from, but I have something that says made in LA and it says fragile. So if I look at the top, it says it is from ColourPop. I haven't opened it yet. I did some orders probably last month, I want to say, and these things are coming in and I haven't been able to open them because my life has completely gone crazy, but it's okay. I'm gonna open it with you right now. I'm sure a million people have opened theirs with you already and this is nothing new, but in reality, if you're here, it's because you want to hang out with me. So thank you so much. I appreciate that. If there's anything that you want, if you want me to do anything in particular, as far as looks or anything like that, please just let me know and I will 100% do that. So let's see. This says, thanks a lot, a latte. And this is my ColourPop card. So I'm excited about that. It's super cute, and this is the Lush collection. So I saw this palette and I was like freaking out. It's been a long time since I saw a ColourPop collection where I was like, oh my gosh, I have to have that. So I saw this palette and I thought, oh my gosh, I have to have that. It's so pretty. I feel like this would be a really good palette that would go well with the Raw Beauty Kristi palette, in my opinion. I mean, I could be wrong. I'd have to do, maybe I could do like a video and use them both together or something, but I'm excited about this. I could swatch them for you guys. I don't know if that's something you would be interested in, considering normally I just use a palette. I'll go ahead and swatch it for you right here on this arm. So let's see, we have Eco, and this is it looks like a, I don't know, like maybe a light tangerine color, a light peach color. Not much darker or not much different from my own skin tone. And then I'm gonna actually swatch them down in rows so you can see like the color stories, because I feel like they're all like kind of color stories. So next I'm gonna do Hotness, and this is like a brick orange. And this is a shimmer. And there is no glitters in this palette, so that makes me happy. I'm gonna do, the next one is Noni. And Noni is like a brick, maybe like a brick orange matte, just a little bit darker than that shimmer. All right, so next we have Wildlife, and Wildlife is a yellow gold shimmer. And then after that we have Palm, which is a very bright lime green shimmer. It's really pretty. And then next we have On the Prowl, and I would say that this is a deep teal, maybe even like an emerald green. It's a nice matte shadow, actually. It's a very nice matte shadow. That is going to stain, boys and girls. That's gonna stain. Like, that's staining my finger and I touched it one time, so. Next we have It's Paradise. And this is like a grungy gold color. Oh yeah, definitely like a grungy gold. And next we have Juicy, which is the shimmery counterpart to that green. 2 swipes for that one. And then next we have the color called Monsoon, and it is a deep blue. Beautiful. It's almost so blue, but it has like a tiny little touch of purple in it. It's like a navy blue purple. I don't know if that makes sense, but hey. Next we have Guava, and Guava is like a matte terracotta maybe. It's a beautiful matte shade. Perfect for some crease work. Of course, you know me, I'll put anything in the crease. And next we have Hideaway, and Hideaway looks to me like it's a bronzy color. And it's a shimmer. And then last but not least, we have Eden. And I would say Eden is a cool toned brown. And that's a matte. And those shades, dear people, are going to stain. In case you wondered, they're going to stain. 100% they're going to stain. So I'm okay with that. I'm used to that. If you are not used to that, then you probably don't want to get it. If I'm being honest. Now the thing is I probably could have duped this palette out with my single shadows, but I hadn't gotten a ColourPop palette in a while. I got a really good deal on this set, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you the other items that I got. I really liked the liners. So let's see, I got all of the liners. So we have this yellow. See, I never got the liners for the Raw Beauty Kristi. Look at that, that's super creamy. I didn't get the liners for the Raw Beauty Kristi. What do you call it? The Raw Beauty Kristi one, and I wanted those liners, but I didn't get them. And I still, to this day, regret not getting at least 2 of those liners. So I got these because I wanted them. I just decided, you know what? I'm getting them. I mean, I don't do this often. I don't just splurge, so. And then this one is called, oh, what was the other one called? I didn't even tell you guys. First one was Two Can Do It. And the second one is A Glow. And now these liners have like a shimmery, they're super creamy, but they have like a shimmery base to them. I'm gonna have to turn them with my light down. Definitely gonna have to turn the light down so that you guys can actually see those without them washing out the camera. And then this last one is called Canopy. And this is a deep green color. So excited to have these. Look at how pretty that is. So pretty. And I think that is probably a matte one. So I'm excited to have those 3 colors. They're really pretty. And I did not tell you guys, I did not show you guys how freaking cute. Look at how cute this packaging is. It is the cutest freaking packaging. Oh my gosh. And I haven't actually bought any, I haven't bought any, what do you call it? I don't know what my problem is here. Okay, so I have not bought any new like mainstream makeup brands in a really long time, so that's why I got these. So this one is called Vonda, and this is a luxe lipstick. It smells good. It smells kind of like it. There's the color. It looks like it's gonna be pretty clear, so it's like a lip gloss, and it smells kind of like vanilla. So, and this is peachy, Peace Lily. Peachy, I don't know where the fuck I'm getting that from. So this is Peace Lily, and this one has really pretty gold sparkles in it. So I will swatch this one for you guys. Very pretty. I'm excited about that one. You know me, I love lip glosses, so I'm really excited to try this formula. And then we have Orchid. I can't get these open for my to save my freaking life. Okay. So Orchid is a really pretty, just like orange color. And these all smell the same. They don't have like any different smells. Pretty. It's a little bit like orangier than the first one. I think it was Two Can Do It. And then next we have 3 Cheek Dews. So I'm kind of running out of places to do this, so I'm gonna have to, where would I put it? I don't know, we'll see. We will see what I do. Oh, why can't I get it out? Why can I not get it out? Okay. I don't know what my issue is, but so we have this serum blush. I haven't tried it before, but I'm gonna go ahead and, oh, it's closed. Shit. I don't want to open them. All right, I am going to just open this one because it looks like it's mostly my color. I'm gonna take a tiny bit out, and the consistency, let's see if I can do it right here. So the consistency is pretty sheer. I don't know if it's buildable, but we'll see if I can build it up right now. There's no smell to it, so that's a good thing. I don't like... So that's what it looks like before I shear it out. I feel like a very little will go a long way. And that's after it. That's a good color. I feel like that'll look good on me. So let's see, the other 2 colors I have are a orange color and then like a peachier, like rosier color. So those are the entire collection. I am very excited to have it. I am super blessed that I was able to get it. Definitely the first ColourPop collection that I have gotten excited about in a very long time. I saw the Powerpuff Girls one and I went back and forth. Should I get it? Should I not? And I think I decided I'm not going to get it. Just because I loved Powerpuff Girls does not mean I need that collection. So there's that. This is the swatches again. So yeah. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for just being here with me always, and I really appreciate it. I really hope to see you guys comment down below and let me know what item you would be most excited for if you were opening this box. And, you know, do me a favor, if you liked this video, please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share with your friends. And also do me a favor and follow me over on Instagrams for more content from me. So thank you so much. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you very, very, very soon. Bye.